Hey, good morning everyone. Just taking some gravity wagons to the feed mill bright and early in the morning. Actually not really anymore. It's already past 7:15. Just doesn't get light as early anymore. Just started the last 47 acres. Gonna combine. That didn't get planted until Memorial Day weekend, so it's a bit behind. Monitor says it's running about 22%, 22.5%. Kind of thinking it's going to come in around 23, 23.5. But we'll see. Hopefully if it comes in less, maybe do some more. If not, wait a bit, just because taking the hit on drying is always fun. But so far so good. Some snow in the forecast, which is good for snowmobiling but not good for getting the corn off, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so far, knock on wood, everything has been good this year. Can't really get a good picture of the wagons. Pulling two, supposed to be 400 bushel wagons. Haven't been able to get them quite up there yet. I'm going to try, since this is a further trip, I'm going to try to get them filled up more. And it's about 10 miles in. By my calculations, it's going to be 8 to 10 trips, so hoping that we can cut down on some of those, but won't be too bad. It's nice when people aren't on the road and run more of the lights. Just one of those later fall mornings, about 35 degrees. It's a cool one out, but we'll get there. There weren't people on the road, and you light the tractor up like that, you can definitely see a lot more, but that's round on, so we'll go like this.